What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we do have an update on this new crypto called Spark. Guys, this crypto was essentially launched on went live on the 17th of June, which was just a few days ago, and since its launch it has been going absolutely crazy. It is currently up over 114% in the last 24 hours itself, currently trading just below 10 cents. And bearing in mind, a week ago it was trading at just below the 3 cents value. So we'll be going through what is next for Spark. Is this a crypto to be investing into? Should you avoid it because of the way it's performing, or should you get into it right away? That's what I'll be going through, looking at its short-term prediction and overall in 2025, how high can it go. But before I go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the bottom we have the RSI, which is currently at 83.51, which is pretty high, guys. So this essentially means the crypto is overvalued and it is very highly likely to go through a price correction, which I'm also predicting. However, because it is pumping right now, if we zoom in into the hourly chart, it's still pumping as I'm recording the video. It is likely to head over 10-11 cents over the next few hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles. Over the next few days, going into mid to end of the week, it should essentially drop down to around 6 cents in value is what I'm predicting. So once it heads up, well, I can't really reach, well, let's have a look. Yeah, so once it heads up to about 10-11 cents, it should slowly start to drop back down in value over the next couple of days to around 7 cents in value, and then slowly start to increase. However, do bear in mind this is a new project, so it can be very volatile, and yes, it is a highly risky investment. I personally wouldn't invest into it due to the fact of how it has been performing. Very volatile. And if we look at the monthly chart, overall it is up a massive 123%. Over the last week itself, it is nearly 200%, guys. A lot of people are trading the crypto. The trading volume is over 1.1 billion dollars. From about 7 days ago it was about 37 million. Right now it's at 1.1 billion, so it has grown a lot. A lot of people are trading the crypto, but I myself, I will be keeping away from it. Reason for that is it's a new project. It's been very volatile. It's a highly risky investment. So I'm a long-term trader. Again, if you're a short-term trader, it may be a good crypto to get into and out, but bear in mind that if it is volatile, you can lose all that money as well. But for me, it's a no-go for the moment. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart again, well, let's get rid of the RSI and bring out the MACD indicator. On the hourly chart is looking quite bullish, and on the 4-hour chart is looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. The reason is looking so steep is again because of the major pump that has been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of days, which is again not true and not realistic because it's already gone through a major pump. So zooming out to the daily chart, again, there's not much data on this crypto for us to do the long-term prediction, therefore I won't be doing that. I do not want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information, so the long-term prediction we're going to keep out of it. However, if you guys do want regular updates on Spark, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But before I end the video, let's head back into the CoinMarketCap website. The trading volume a month ago was at around, let's have a look here, very low, guys, 70 million, 40 million. Even it did head down to around $20 million before the major increase right now. But yeah, overall Spark has been performing very well. However, it's not a crypto for me. And again, if you guys want to do your own analysis and technical analysis and so on, you guys can access my trading guide, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. A to Z, what you need to know, all the indicators that I personally use, risk management, fundamental analysis, everything is included in there. So make sure you check it out if you guys are interested. And also, there is a discount code for those of you guys who want to buy it. But yeah, everything is in the description box down below. But yeah, let me know your prediction for Spark by the end of the year. A lot of people have been saying if it keeps going at this rate, it is likely to hit the $1 mark, which I highly doubt. I'm not expecting it to head anywhere over the 20 cents target because again, it is a risky investment. It has been volatile, so I'm predicting it could drop back down to around 5-6 cents in value, not the dollar mark. But let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are predicting this crypto to go in 2025. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.